All right, I'm back out here at Chatty. The only difference is today there's a snowstorm, so I'm hoping that should be good for the bite and fishing. Let's see what we can do. I'm at deeper water than last time. I'm at 41 feet deep. Yeah, here comes a fish. Here it comes. I'm on. First fish of the day. Down deep. All right. Feels like a little walleye. Don't want to mess up his air bladder. He's chasing me up. Yep, walleye. Not a bad one, but not a keeper. There he is. And I still got his air bladder. Dang. Shoot, I tried not to reel him up that deep. Oh. There he goes. All right, cool, first thing. All right, since I caught that fish so quick, I'm gonna set up camp already. Set up camp. Here it comes. Got him. Doesn't feel very big. Well, it feels a little better now all of a sudden. Another little walleye. I wonder how long that one is. I'll have to give that guy a measure. He looks probably 15 or 16. That's my guess. Oh, buddy. Wow, almost 15. Decent little walleye. Down one. Let him go. All right, there he goes. See ya. Come on. Oh, jaw-jack coming off. Got him. Got him. That was weird. It like fell out of the rod holder. I think it came off. Shoot. It was so weird. The rod wasn't in the jaw jacker that well and it fell out of the rod holder. I was just about to move, but I think I'm going to stay here now because they're biting again. Oh, jaw jacker went off. Oh, did I just break off? Oh no, I'm on. That was weird, my bail just opened. Oh, he popped off. I'm getting bad hook sets with this jaw jacker. Dang. Oh, I got him. Oh, I missed him. Missed him. They're biting the dead stick. I just got to keep it there. Oh, there he is. Got him. Got that one. He feels small. Man, they just started biting all of a sudden. Holy cow. Well, it's a decent one. That's not a bad fish. Another 15-incher probably. All right. We'll take it. See if we can get the other ones. They're just biting right now. I gotta get down there. There's the fish. Doesn't feel that big. Actually, it feels okay. Take that back. Don't get in the transducer, buddy. Oh, it's a nice fish. Well, about the same. Maybe a little bigger than the other one. First fish I landed on the jaw jacker, though. It's a pretty pale walleye. It's almost kind of silver. I imagine that's still like a 15-incher. There he goes. All right. Got him. It's awesome. There's one. Got him. Pretty high up. Pretty high up. Oh, not a bad one. All right. That thing was like at 17 feet. Oh, that's pretty decent. Ooh, and there's another one at like 35 feet. Long and skinny. It's not a bad fish. So I'm gonna let this guy go. See if we can get the other one. There he goes. Oh yeah, I want to get that other fish. Little crawdad pincher from that walleye. So they're eating crawdads. Last time I saw they were eating some worms, some kind of like little nymphs and just little bugs. They were bigger than I thought though. They were almost as big as this. Oh, here he comes. Oh, got him. I got him. It's a pretty good little chase. What do we got? Oh, nice one. Yeah, that might be the best one of the day right there. All right. Number 6, I believe, of the day. Oh, nice. Look at that one. Still probably not super long. Still probably not a keeper. Oh, so close. He's 17. 17-inch walleye. Nice one. Big old mouth. Okay, I'm gonna put him back. There he goes. I suppose I'll talk about my gear I'm using. Usually don't have very fancy, expensive gear because I'm not willing to spend a ton of money on it. But this is one of my better ice setups today. I got a 28-inch medium Fenwick Eagle rod. It's not necessarily like the best rod, but it's got a really good bend. Feels pretty sturdy to me, and I can fight fish pretty well. It has a good mix of strength and also subtlety. And I'm pairing it with a Fluger Monarch ice reel. Alright, well the bite's dead. And I'm ready to go home, so I'm gonna head out.